Hi, my name is Len Padilla. I'm the VP of Product Strategy at NTT Communications. We're going to be at the Cloud Expo in London again this year. One of the things that we'll be talking about is the role of SD-WAN in digital transformation. That's the talk that I'll be doing. I'm really excited about this because one of the things that we've seen in digital transformation is that in the early days of virtualization, it was the server side that was virtualized early. And that was great. That gave us a lot of flexibility, a lot of agility. But it was really the only piece. So that lasted for a while, and then storage caught up. Once storage sort of started acting like the server side, it was much easier to virtualize and made the transformation of IT estates a lot easier. But networking, in a funny way, has always sort of lagged behind. It's strange because networking is really the most virtual of services. Nobody sees it, nobody touches it. The way that we provisioned networks, the way that we configured networks and changed the configuration of the networks was always very static. And that hasn't really kept up too well with the nature of IT estates today. Everything's really dynamic when we're looking about hybrid IT with different workloads being in different platforms. We've got some things in public cloud, some things in the corporate data center, Internet of Things, so lots of different workloads in lots of different places. And a statically provisioned network really wasn't ever able to keep up with that. Today, we're finally changing that with some of the software-defined both local networks and wide area networks. And it's great that now the network is an equal citizen in this world. It's as dynamic as the rest of the pieces of the IT estate, and it's making a lot of things possible. It's putting the application in charge of the configuration of the network and making a lot of things possible. So we hope that if you're interested in topics like this, that you'll come to Cloud Expo in London and hear me talk more about it.